you click empty project, then click next. Please only select on the empty project. This one at the top, in her case. And then click next. Then, this is when it becomes interesting. So please, take note of the location. In her own case, C drive, user 90 whatever, sources, and repos. So the location is important to us because whatever we build will be stored in the same location. So after that, you can rename the project to what you want. So we'll call it yes. So just call it Zara, and then you can say, okay, place a solution and project in the same location. That's fine. And then remember the name you use to create your project. Please don't create Zara. You can create whatever is your own name. After that, we move to next, move to create, and then when we get to create, just give it some time. Okay, so if you have this, I will wait for you. If you have this screen, please let me know.
Doctor, I got this.
You got that?
Yeah.
Don't sign in. Click don't sign in. It will prompt to sign in, don't sign in. Just keep it.
Okay.
If you get to this location, I need that you have this right-hand side, is what I'm looking for. So I need to see on the right-hand side, you will see the folder you created, Zara, and if you look at it, you have the source files at the bottom. Anybody got that one? Okay. Once you have that, maybe for you, it may not appear in the right-hand side, but what you're looking for is when you have the folder. So Zara, and then we go to the source files. The bottom one, the source files, and I right-click the source files. So if I right-click the source files, come on. She's cleaning my shoulder. It's like going to the gym. How do you use right-click on this machine? Okay, so if you right-click the source file, you will have the add, and if you click on the add, you go to the add new item. All right, when you get to the add new item, pause there for now. Students, what we want to do is in C, not C++. So automatically, this saves as C++. We have to manually put the name of our listing or the code we want to write. So don't just click save, go back and then change from CPP. So I will go back and I'll put a name. My hand is dead. I'm not built for this. Sorry, my laptop betrayed me today. So I want to rename this, so I will call it BUBL6, right?
Is this the new item?
Yes. So in the new items, if you right click on the new item, on the sources, you see add new item, and a window will pop up. In some cases, it will be like this. If you don't have the small window like this, please give me a shout. I will show you how to maneuver in your own case.
Doctor, I don't have the source file.
You
don't have the source file?
Yeah, it's not under the reference.
Yeah, that's not right. Strange.
Do you have the source file?
Yeah, they do.
Yeah. So just work with somebody else for now.
She's gonna work with me.
So, yes? Huh? Bring it this way. So what we want to do is to make sure that we save the file as .c. If we don't save it as .c, it will be automatically C++. We don't want C++. We only want, okay, so empty, this one.
No, it's not
New.
And he
Then
has
we can make that project one is fine. And then
no,
good.
empty project.
Location is fine, yeah.
When you downloaded, did you choose the desktop? Yeah. When you
how can I confirm this?
So now see, so look, see, once you do it right, you will have the source files. So look, add new item, and then you can name it.
Doctor, how can I
Whatever you
confirm
want.
the packages are installed?
I'm coming, task 1.c. So students, what I've done is to edit the name, remove the CPP, and save it as .c. That's the only trick. Don't just click add before you click the add. So when you click the add, you now have the environment where we can write our code. So please, that's the most important trick. Save the file name with .c. So I will say .c. So now I've altered the original C++ because this edition does not have C. So we manually force it to save the file as a C because our focus is on C. Now I will click add. So if I click add, automatically it now opens the environment where I can then type in the code. So students, the code, what I've done, thank you, Zara. I will come back to that for your laptop. It's too heavy. Who has a better laptop that will not kill my shoulder? So what I want to do with the code, in the material we used, in the lecture material we used, so what you want to do is to type, not this.
Package manager.
Okay, so in the lecture material we talked about all these different codes. So what you want to do is to type this listing in that environment where you created and save as .c. So what I did, I copied this into my shared folder, and because I'm lazy, I copy and paste. And then what you want to do is to include the standard input-output header. Sorry. You only need to copy this part only, not everything, just this. Or you can type it. But before you start to type, do like this, so notepad. So before you start, do So before you start, before you type this code, include the standard input-output header. And then you now type this under it. So when you type, then you now save, and then give me a shout.
Can you show the header again?
So the standard header is std, include std input-output.h. So type this listing. If you are done, let me know. Then you can, once we are done, we can then build our program. And you can see the magic happen. That this simple program we are going to build will become something very big that we can see later.
What was the thing that we need to install?
Desktop.
So type this.
Search desktop.
Anybody done typing this?
Yes.
If you are done, let me know so I can build the program.
Should be desktop development.
I did this. بس كان في بس كان في شيء ثاني C++
Yeah, desktop development. يعني community version desktop development.
If anybody is done typing, let me know so I can come and build it for you. Please take note of the location. Is it done? No, not there. So inside of where you created, copy it and paste inside here. Sorry, not in Notepad, students. You are typing inside the vision exactly. So 1 second. So you don't want to type in Notepad, please. That was an example for me. You type under the bub.c you created, and then when you type, you look and see if there are edges. So look here, this function should be down. Where is the main function? There's something missing. There are errors.
See?
So you can see when there are errors automatically.
أكو حصلت لي. زين هنحل شو الصار.
Okay. This looks, I show you.
روح المين function.
So if you look at the bottom, you can look at the bottom and you can increase the size. And if there are errors, you can see the errors at the bottom also. So let's assume that we have done it correctly. You will see at the top, it says build. So at the top, you will see file, edit, view. One of them is build. If you click on the build, you have build solution and other stuff. We want to click on build solution.
Build solution.
So if you click on build solution, look at the bottom window. So in this case, it says that one succeeded, 0 errors, which means he has done it correctly. So when you build, students look at the bottom, you will see at the bottom, it will tell you if it succeeded or not. And it says that build 1 succeeded, 0 failed. If you have failed 1, let me know. If you have succeeded without failure, let me know.
Okay, you tell them me.
And then you can save it again. Wait. Sorry for my laptop. Sorry for my laptop.
Oh.
ايش وقت 10 دقائق
No حبيبتي ما عندي space.
وش ايش نصعد؟
زي فعالي.
Instead of the screen.
انزين. اي هاي المين. او بعدين هو ايش قال؟ ما سمعت الصوت. هو ايش قال لك؟ You're missing the function. Main function. انت ما عندك يا المين لا. يقول لك شنو هذا؟ روحي البيت. قال المين فانكشن نو. قال ليش ما روحي تحت. روحي تحت. Is it this or? ما ينزل من هني يعني. ما تقدر انت شلون سويتي هاي ما وصلت وين حسيتي السورسز خايف حلو يكون Noor, what's the code? Can I see?
You just copy paste
Yeah, I know, but which one?
the int one, this one, int x equals 1, this one here.
Because I did this.
You should just put the header in.
Which one is it?
Above. Maybe it's this one.
It's not this one.
Oh, sorry. No, it is this one. It's on page. It's on page 6 of the slides.
It's that one.
Yeah,
The whole thing?
the whole thing, the one with the ends.
Oh my god.
Where's your source code?
Noor, is this correct?
It's the same. Yeah, it's this one. And you put the header, right? The one with hashtag include.
Include, yeah.
But then you should play it, and then he said you should do something.
What? He said then.
Yeah, I think it's this one. So I'm not sure. Like you just put the green play button. I'm not sure.
He said build solution. اي قال build solution. So build solution. ما فهمت. So build solution. يا الله. I need storage. What happened? ليش ما كان يطلع لي الحين هاي؟ Property. When are you on this meeting?